Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook Maruchan Ramen. Begin by gathering your few simple ingredients. 1 packet of Maruchan instant ramen, approximately 2 cups of water, and a suitable small pot. You might also want to prepare an egg or some chopped green onions to add later, if you desire a more complete meal. This quick and easy setup ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience, delivering delicious results very soon. Now, pour your 2 cups of water into the small pot. Place the pot on your stove and bring the water to a vigorous, rolling boil over high heat. Once the water is boiling rapidly, carefully open your Maruchan Ramen packet. Gently place the dry block of noodles into the hot water, trying not to break them initially. This ensures the noodles cook thoroughly and maintain their texture. Allow the noodles to cook for approximately 3 minutes, stirring occasionally with a fork to separate the strands. As they begin to soften, open the included seasoning packet and sprinkle its contents directly into the pot. Stir thoroughly to ensure the rich flavor is evenly distributed throughout your ramen. Cook for 1 additional minute until the noodles are perfectly tender. Once your ramen is ready, carefully pour the entire contents of the pot into your favorite serving bowl. Be cautious of the hot steam as you transfer the noodles and broth. Now is the perfect time to add any optional toppings you prepared, perhaps a soft-boiled egg or some fresh green onions. Your delicious, warm bowl of Maruchan Ramen is now ready to be savored. Enjoy every comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.